What is good, everybody out there? Happy holidays. Hope everybody is enjoying themselves. Right now we're going to do a special unboxing from Big Bad Toy Store. I've already had to open this thing up just because the knife just... I've had to edit this thing quite a few times, but this is a line in particular I always look forward to. This is probably my favorite line going, which we'll get into right now. Got your promotional stuff right here. See that? Got your little cards. Can't wait for that guy to come out. Got to get the rest of the Rangers as well. But here we got the Figure Arts Krillin, which I am super excited for. Of course, they spell it differently because of the Japan version, the early version of him. Krillin. I don't know how you even pronounce that. And popped it open, and you can see the packaging design of Krillin. Pretty damn cool. I look forward to these figures, like I said, every year. And you get a new one that is announced. Oh, that's so dope. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. And also got another one for my dude, the League of Villains. So we should be picking it up sometime this week. So again, I'll put the description to Shartimus's review of this guy in the description. Does a really good job with that one. But trying to get back into the spin of things. This is like my first figure I've gotten in almost a month, so bear with me. We will be coming back, but it's just the holidays just keeps me grounded for a while. Alright,